Located in Osceola County, St. Cloud is one of Central Florida's fastest-growing cities, home to expanding neighborhoods, family-owned businesses, and a local economy that's steadily gaining momentum. From construction companies and service providers to storefronts and delivery operations, businesses here are adapting quickly to rising demand and looking for ways to stay ahead. But as the city grows, so do operating costs. And when traditional lenders make financing slow and complicated, it can hold your business back. At New York Fast Funding, we make the process simple. If your business earns $10,000 or more per month and has been active for at least 6 months, you may qualify for fast working capital with no hard credit check required. Approvals are typically made within 24 to 48 hours, and funds are delivered fast, so you can make decisions without delay. When your city moves fast, your funding should too. Apply now at New York Fast Funding.